If you like my content, please smash that like button and ram into that subscribe button. Anyway, onto the video. Did you know that one of the strongest feats of Spider-Man during the Marvel Cinematic Universe is him stopping a speeding train from crashing and holding a ferry together? That is a boat. And one of the other feats includes stopping an elevator from falling, stopping a car from falling, catching a fly in mid-air, as well as dodging Electro's attacks, which is as fast as living electricity, and moving electricity as well as, and some of the animated strongest moments are holding up a collapsed train tunnel, as well as going toe-to-toe with Kingpin and winning. Anyway, enjoy your day further and see you guys later.